Hello, fellow Forex investors. Today is July 16th, 2015, and man, we've had a really great day. We finally broke through some areas of support and resistance. A lot of support levels broken here. Key areas, our lowest low that we had achieved over the last few weeks, or months I should say, finally got broken. And we're actually moving down to the last key area of support and resistance, which is at 1.0818. Okay, so we've got a lot to work with here on the euro dollar. So if you notice in your accounts, we closed out the buy that we had been in. We're now up sells, and we're actually in very, very good shape for a continuation. If the market continues to run down, gives us another sell, we're going to do very, very well. We'll see what is there in the market. We're already layered into some positions. The lower down it goes, the more money, potential profit we can make. All right, so the euro dollar, we've got a call, a sell, 1.0925 for tomorrow. The dollar, and by the way, on the euro dollar, we got into a quattro sell. If you got into the one earlier yesterday, you closed out for first take profit, and you closed it out for profit. You may have gotten into a second one. We did. We got into a second Q4 in just yesterday's session, which is currently up quite a bit. It's currently up 70 pips. Closed out the first take profit for profit there. So we made some money there on the euro dollar and on the quattro. Dollar yen, we don't have a trade for that. A lot of stuff going on. The dollar Swiss as well. The dollar Swiss is definitely in consolidation over these last few bars, and so we do not have a trade for it here. The pound dollar. Now the pound dollar we thought was going to be a big sell. We didn't get that, and the market looks like a consolidation. We're going to wait for it to drop below levels. For that reason, we're not calling the pound dollar. The dollar yen. Dollar yen, we're not going to call the dollar yen. It's had a breakout. It's moved up nicely, but we don't have a trade for it at this moment. The Aussie dollar, though, the Aussie dollar, we're going to hold our 0.7490 sell there on the Aussie dollar. The New Zealand dollar has moved very, very well. We've got a support area, as you can see here, that was support. Now it's going to be used as resistance, and so we're going to look for 0.6620 for our area of support and resistance for the New Zealand dollar. Now, what else do we have? We've actually got the dollar CAD. And on the dollar CAD, we're going to look for that same area of support and resistance to be hit. Basically, it's going to be 1.2820. We called 1.2800 before. We're calling 1.2820. On the dollar CAD. Last but not least, we have the euro yen. And here on the euro yen, we've got this strong area of support and resistance where we have this 800 EMA, mid-Bollinger Band, and 50 EMA. We're going to look for a sell on the euro yen at 135.55. Guys, those are our trades. We're doing very well this week. Look forward to seeing you next week as we continue this journey. I'll talk to you then. Have a great weekend. All the best. Bye-bye.